Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start.
So how are you, ma'am?
But you are not visible, dear.
I'm not visible.
No, now visible. Okay, so this is first conversation. So firstly, introduce yourself. You are also introduce little bit introduction.
Okay, so I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Swati and I completed my 12th class this year from the government school in my area. And we are four siblings, including me. My one brother and sister got married. And this is my Lalu Paswan. You said this is my brother name. Sometimes I use this app. So that's all for our.
Yes. So how long you are started to speaking journey?
Uh, I will say that from the lockdown, at that time I was in 8th class. So at the lockdown. My brother taught me little bit about grammar, tense, and voice. But at that time, I did not start speaking fluently. But when I entered in 11th class, my brother taught me that you should speak also because speaking English is very important. If you want to get any job, then you will have to speak English. So
Yes,
I
yes.
started. I started from 11th class.
Okay. So I don't talk with your brother, okay, Lalu Paswan, but I think Lalu is also connect one time Meenu ma'am. Okay, so I think he is a tutor. He's also teach some student at home, and he's also live in village area. And I am right or wrong? He suffer any kind of renal disease, kidney disease.
Yes, ma'am. Right. You are saying right. Now he is okay.
Okay, yes. So yes, Lalu Paswan English is good because
So good.
I watch. Yes, I watch Lalu video. Yes,
Yeah. My brother English is too fluent. Speaking
yes.
English is too fluent.
And he is also like very most Chandan sir video. Okay.
Yes, he is a fan of Chandan sir. He learned all the grammar from the Chandan sir video.
Mhm. Yes. So you have any topic?
I have right now. Okay, so I'm going to give you topic. Okay. So
Yes, but your topic is interested for me. Okay.
uh,
Then after I try to speak on the your topic. Yes.
you are in the Manali.
No, no. I live in a UP in Banaras.
Okay, you live in UP Banaras.
Mhm.
Okay. Firstly, you tell me something about yourself.
Yes, yes, yes. My name is Preeti and I am from UP in Banaras. And if you talk about my qualification, I am a postgraduate in zoology and I am a naturopathist. And if you talk about my English journey, 4 months ago, I started my speaking journey. But in this time, I am very much busy for making my new clinic. So that's why I'm unable to attend any video and audio conversation in these 2 months, like June and July. 2 months I am unable to attending any video and audio conversation. So that's why my English is not my English journey is not going on a good way. But I try my best. Today I have some time, so I try to connect you. So I am so happy. Yes, this is my introduction.
Ma'am, you said that you are a arthologist. What is the
So
mean of that?
naturopathist.
Naturopathy. What is the mean of that, ma'am?
Yes, in this naturopathy field, doctors and naturotherapists all treat on the patient only for some herbs, and hydrotherapy means water therapy, mud therapy, and some kind of oil therapy and some herb therapy. Okay. Yeah, in this type, doctor and therapists are not doing any kind of allopathy medicine. And yes, all depend on the herbs, fruits, vegetable, water, mud, and some kind of exercise and some therapies like some panchkarma therapies like Janubasti, Katibasti, a lot of therapies in my field. So whenever you are search in your mobile naturopathy therapies, the lot of therapies in front for you. So you have enough knowledge. Okay. Mostly you are also setting your mind naturotherapy. Okay, naturopathy means all patient treat on the fruit, vegetable, and related to nature. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not able to understand all the things. Uh, it because of I did not study about it. But okay,
Yes, yes. You are also search you have in front for a lot of therapy. You also know. Okay.
ma'am. Firstly, you give me any topic.
Yes. So, what is your aim in a future? Because you are
So,
so young, so you are decided anything in your life?
so I want to become a teacher of English.
English.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because a teaching line is very good for girls. Uh, because in a teaching line you can also give some time to their family. So I like this profession.
Yes. So, what is your first step?
And now I completed my 12th class, so I will take admission in college and I will do B honors in English.
Mhm. So, you have enough knowledge how to what is teaching line, and firstly whenever you are completed your intermediate, then after you are completed your graduation, then after what type of examination you are necessary in your teaching area, you have knowledge.
Yes, ma'am, not so much because my brother is also a teacher. He taught to students, so always he always teach me about these things. He always tell me that you will have to do your B honors, then you will have to do, if you want to teach first to fifth class, then you will have to do DLED and B.Ed till 12th class. So after then you will have to crack state paper. So
Mhm.
taught me about little bit. So you can say that I'm going on the way. I'm going on my brother way. He always teach me that you should do this thing, and so I always follow my brother things.
Mhm. Okay. So yes, I have no any specific topic, but okay, I am also give you one topic. What is education? Okay, what is education in your opinion, according to your education?
Education is a most powerful thing. If you are educated, then you can do anything. I will say that lot of things is present here you can achieve, but education is more important. And I think that in India education is not so good because government never gives teachers in a government schools. I am a student of government school, so I know government doesn't want to give any teacher in a government school. And if they gives the teachers, then the government give lot of work to the government teachers. They can't to teach me at the time. And I saw a lot of people they which they do study and get good in their future and success. I watch a lot of interviews that there they teach us that education is a power. Education is a very good thing to be success. So if anyone who education education is very important for each and every person, like anyone, no matter what is your age and what is your qualification, you should study always. If you want to become a rich, then you will have to study.
If you want to become a rich,
Yes, ma'am. If you are not so rich, then for poorness, yeah, study is important.
yes, study is important for every human being. Okay,
Yes.
without study and without education, you don't feel what is your life. Okay, what is your what type of things you have, good and bad. Okay, whenever you are educated, that time you are also judged, this thing is good for me and this thing is bad for me. Okay, without education, in my point of view, without education, your life look like an animal. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
animals also eat food, sleep, and born baby, birth baby, and human being are also doing same thing without education. And if you are educated, that time you are also doing a lot of work for own self, own family, and all village, when your village peoples and every area. You go to every area, and you are help for all type of peoples, animals, and all living things. So this is my point of view. And in ancient time, ladies are no uneducated. Okay, ladies are uneducated. Ladies are also spent on whole life on only for doing a household chores. Okay, so yes, this is very bad, because I like to read for some history book. Okay, so whenever I read, that time I feel, oh my God, this type of life is not good for any woman. But in a village area, a lot of women are also live same things for 100 year ago life, and in a village life is same. Okay, some ladies are also doing only for doing household chores and birth baby and also survive life. You see, she is not doing anything, and whenever she is suffer for any kind of very dangerous disease, that time she have no knowledge. So she is also facing a lot of problem, because if if these kind of ladies are educated, so is also feel, oh, I am facing this kind of problem, so this is must go, I go to doctor and treat for myself. Okay, so without education, a lot of ladies are suffering a lot of disease and suffer a lot of family pressure and societal pressure. Okay, social pressure. Okay, ladies are also facing a lot of problem. Okay, but if you are educated, so you are also judged. And I am also give you one example. If you are pain in your head in continuously in a um, in a 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, but you don't go to hospital, or you don't meet a doctor, you also feel, okay, I take some tea, I am also take some herbal medicine, then after I cure. But slowly your disease is chronic in your head, and that sometime your disease is so spread in your body, and your survival life is very less. So this is the power of education. Yes, a lot of education is not ending topic. Okay, education is not ending topic. Yeah.
So, ma'am, recently a topic hit in my mind, so I'm going to give you. Okay. So, why
Okay.
English is important?
What is this important? Please repeat your.
Why English is important?
Oh, yes. This is very beautiful topic. Yes, in this era, without English, you can't survive anywhere. Okay. This is not necessary. You are an English teacher. That's why English is necessary for you. And in this time, if you are go to railway station, airport, and school, colleges, bank, every area, all form and all notice boards are write down in English. In all area, not any one place for write down anything in Hindi. So in my point of view, English is very necessary for you. And if you are go to in your college and you are take admission, so whenever your admission form is also available in English, okay, not available in a Hindi. Yes, obviously one column is also write down your name in Hindi, but all form is also fill up in a English capital letter. So that's why English is very important for you. And if you are go to anywhere like a hospital, so in a hospital, everything is write down in English. In doctor prescription is also write down in English. Your medicine packaging, always all things write down in English. So whenever you are know English, that time you are also able to know everything very well. Without English, I think you don't survive in this era in a very way. Okay. So yet, and suppose that you are go to any country, like anywhere. So that time you don't know native language in on area. But if you don't, if you know English, that time you are easily communicate for any peoples. And everything in a phone, mobile, everything is right down in English. So English is very necessary for you. Without English, you can't survive. Okay.
So, ma'am, I'm going to tell you something about relate to my family, okay? And my
Mhm.
father is not so educated. He just 10th pass out, but he don't know about English. So whenever I say that father, you should use the metro, my father refused. He said that no, I will not go by metro. I will go by train. So we
Mhm.
said our father that why you choose train? Why you never choose metro? He said that in train I can survive. In train I understand all the things whatever is happening. But in the metro I am not able to understand what is going on because all the things in English. My father study Hindi very well, so he always says that like train for traveling anywhere. So I
Yes.
always thought that India is in India, only name is India, but all the things in India English.
English. And but is comparison to metro, um, metro charges very less is compared to any train and bus. Yes.
But
So you,
I thought that metro is for educated person.
yes. So you live in a Delhi.
No, but Delhi is far from here 2 hours. After 2 hours, you can reach Delhi.
Okay. Wow. Delhi is a very beautiful
Yes,
metro
so
city.
beautiful.
I
Chandigarh,
like.
Chandigarh is also Delhi capital. Chandigarh is so beautiful.
In Delhi, Sarojini Market is very famous in Delhi, and I like most, and I miss a lot Sarojini Market.
Did you visit in Sarojini Market?
Yes, I live in Delhi. I think 2 months. I live in Delhi in 2 months. That time I visit all market. Every day I go for different markets, so I know very well.
Yeah, you are a lady, so you like to go markets for shopping. It's true.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, ma'am, how many do you have any children?
Yes, yes, I have kids. I have 3 kids, and my daughter is 12-year-old, and I have 2 sons. So my younger one is 6 year old, and sorry, my elder one is 6 year old, and my younger one is 4 year old.
So, ma'am, do you teach them about English?
Yes, in these days I don't teach anything because I am a little bit busy for my area, my work area. But one tutor is also come in my home, so she is also teach my son. And yes, sometime I am also teach my kids. And my younger one is very sharp minded, and he is also catch all things. And whenever I talk with my co-learner in a English language, so he is also speak English for anything. Yes, he is a very sharp minded. He understand everything in English. And in his school, in my area, all school are also is very necessary speaking English. Hindi is not allowed in my kids' school. So that's why my all kids are able to speak English and understand English.
For speaking English, your society and your family role is very important. If your society and the family is speaking English, then your son, daughter, anyone will start speaking automatically.
Yes, but in India, all society environment, especially for Banaras, is I think this is not a good environment in my area. Mhm.
Okay, it's okay. But you should always teach them about English.
Yes, I teach them, but I have no enough time. But my daughter is speak English very well, so she is also speak with my son, and she is sometimes she is also speak with me, but she is always busy in a study. Yes, she is speak English very well. She is write English very well. She is understand English very well. She is studying 8th standard.
So ma'am, did you visit any place in Delhi like Lal Killa, India Gate? Did you visit?
Yes, yes, yes. I visit.
So which thing you like most?
Yes, I like most in Qutub Minar. Okay, because Qutub Minar is very nearest for my brother home. Okay, so that's why I try to go in a week 2 times 3 times. So I like most. And if you talk about my my feelings, so I am also like very most historical place. Okay, Qutub Minar and some history, reading history. And if you talk about my movie, what type of movie I like, so Mughal-e-Azam and this type of historical thing I like very most, because I want to know in ancient time what type of
What happened?
yes.
When I choose arts in my 11th 12th, so when our history teacher taught us about any ancient accident, so we always thought that what happened about it. So sir always says that I don't know about lot. I know only about till that book. I don't know. Children started speaking, sir, asking questions to him that sir, now tell me what happened about it. About it, sir always said that I don't know. Don't bother me. So history is very interesting.
Yes, history is very interesting, but when you are kids, okay, you are also studying 8 and 10, 8, 7 and 8 standard. That time, history is not interested for this kind of kids, okay, because you are also learned, okay, 1984 is born, this, that, a lot of years is not remember all time in a mind, okay. That time kids are very feel this is the very boring. And in my study time, whenever I am a 7 and 8 standard, that time I don't like history. But recently within a few days, few months, within a few days, few months, I developed some interest for history.
Okay. So ma'am, you can ask anything if you want.
No, I have no any question. Your English is very good. Okay. In a very, you are so young and you are started English. So this is very good for you. And I bless you. You are become a very good professor in your life. Okay. So yes, your English is very good and we continue everything. So this is very nice conversation. Okay. Thank you so much. You are connecting me. And I am very interested for connect one time Lalu. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. When my brother will come, I will definitely said to him that Preeti
Okay.
ma'am wants to talk with you.
Okay. So if you allow, I upload this video.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Okay. Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.